Welcome to Rehan Reviews, your go-to channel for luxury electric vehicles. Today, we're diving deep into the impressive Rivian R1T, America's pioneering electric pickup truck. Stay with us as we explore its front design, powertrain, interior comfort, side profile, rear design, and more. Front design. Starting with the front, the Rivian R1T's bold and distinct face commands attention. The vertical LED headlights integrated into the slim light bar create a modern, assertive look. There's no traditional grille, instead, its sculpted fascia emphasizes functionality and aerodynamics. Active air intakes in a lower skid plate hint at its off-road readiness. This is style that works. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood, or under the floor, to be precise, lies a capable electric powertrain. Available in dual motor, tri-motor, and quad motor configurations, power ranges from 533 horsepower all the way to 1025 horsepower. The quad motor variant rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds and can tackle up to 11,000 pounds of towing. Its 800-volt battery, flexible charging options, and up to 420 miles of EPA range make it practical as well as powerful. Driver seat and interior. Once inside, the R1T greets you with an elegant mix of luxury and utility. You'll find premium leather-like materials, ash wood accents, and high-end textile features. The cockpit centers around a 15.6 infotainment touchscreen and adjustable 12.3 digital driver display. Practical features like a hidden flashlight in the door and a removable Bluetooth speaker highlight its adventure-ready design. Passenger and storage capabilities. The R1T isn't just about driving, it's about living. It offers a massive 11.1 cubic feet frunk, a gear tunnel, running through the truck, and under-bed compartments, totaling over 62 cubic feet of storage. They even include outlets in the bed and frunk, plus an onboard air compressor. Gear it, live it, own it. Side profile and off-road features. From the side, the R1T's silhouette is sleek yet robust. Design highlights include flush door handles, 21-inch wheels, optional all-terrain tires, and an adaptable air suspension that provides clearance for off-road adventures. The exterior may look familiar, but internal updates like reduced wiring and a new zonal architecture give it cutting-edge efficiency. Rear design and practicality. At the back, a full-width LED light strip and clean tailgate give it dramatic presence. Inside, it offers more space for gear or weekend trips, ideal for modern families or outdoor enthusiasts alike. Rear hitches can tow heavy loads, matching or even exceeding competitors like the F-150 Lightning. Wrap up and call to action. The Rivian R1T breaks the mold, merging power, innovation, and rugged charm into one electric pickup. If you enjoyed this in-depth look, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Rehan Reviews, and share with your fellow EV and truck enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. See you on the next electrifying ride.